Hello my dear children, I am going to continue my this chapter carbon and its compounds. In this chapter I have already discussed about the various topics. Now I am going to continue. I will discuss about the hydrocarbons. Hydrocarbons, as the name indicates, those compounds which are made up of hydrogen and carbon only are called hydrocarbons. Those compounds which are made up of only carbon and hydrogen. No any other elements are present in this, like CH4. You see that this compound is made up of only carbon and hydrogen. C2H6. This is also made up of only carbon and hydrogen. No any other element is present in this. C2H2, C6H6. These are the various hydrocarbons. No any third type of element is present in this. Hydrocarbons can be categorized in three groups. First one is saturated hydrocarbons. I am going to discuss about this saturated hydrocarbons, or you can say alkanes. What are alkanes or what are saturated hydrocarbons? Okay, those hydrocarbons in which single bond is present between all the carbon atoms. They form a long chain of carbon and there is only single bond is present between all the carbon atoms. They are called saturated hydrocarbons or alkanes. They have general formula CnH2n. What is the general formula for alkanes? Anybody can ask you. Then you told that the general formula of alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, whereas N is any number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. If we put N is equal to 1, then the formula becomes CH4. C1, H2, 2 and 2 plus 2, 4, its name will be methane. If we put N equals 2, then the formula becomes C2, 2 2 4 plus 2 becomes 6, its name will be ethane. N equals 3, then the formula becomes C3H8 and its name will be propane. Prop for 3 carbon atoms and ane for alkane series. Then the name becomes propane. Like this. These are the various types of alkanes, or you can say saturated hydrocarbons. Means anybody asks you what are saturated hydrocarbons, then you told that those hydrocarbons in which single bond is present between all the carbon atoms. Now I am going to discuss about the unsaturated hydrocarbons. What are unsaturated hydrocarbons? Those hydrocarbons in which carbon-carbon double bond or carbon-carbon triple bond is present are called unsaturated hydrocarbons. If double bond is present, then they are called alkenes, and if triple bond is present, then they are called alkynes. Alkenes have general formula CnH2n, and for alkynes, the general formula is CnH2n minus 2. Here plus 2, this one is 2n, and this one is CnH2n minus 2. In both the cases, N equals alkenes and alkynes. N equals minimum 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. In alkenes, if we put N equals 2, then the formula becomes C2 and 2 2 4. Its name will be for 2 carbon eth, and for double bond alkene series we write ene. Then the name becomes ethene. If N equals 3, then the C3H6 and its name will be propene. If N equals 4, then the formula becomes C4H8 and its name will be butene. These are the various types of alkenes. In alkyne series, if we put N equals 2, then the formula becomes C2 and 2 2 4 minus 2, it becomes 2. Its name will be eth for 2 carbon and ine. We add ine suffix for alkyne series. N equals 3, C3, 2 3 6 minus 2 becomes 4. Its name will be prop and then ine is added. N equals 4, C4, 4 2 ja 8 minus 2 becomes 6, its name will be butane. Okay, these are the various types of alkynes. Means alkenes and alkynes are two categories of unsaturated hydrocarbons. The hydrocarbons which have single bond are called saturated or alkanes. The compounds with double or triple bond are called unsaturated. Unsaturated hydrocarbons can also be classified into groups alkenes and alkynes. Third category is cyclic hydrocarbons. Cyclic hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons in which carbon atoms combine together to form a ring-like structure. This ring contains minimum 3 carbon atoms like this. There is no ring of 1 carbon or 2 carbon. The ring contains minimum of 3 carbon atoms. If we add its hydrogen atoms to complete its valency, then its name becomes propane. But here a ring is formed, hence you add cyclo, means its overall name becomes cyclopropane. Cyclo for ring-like structure, prop for 3 carbon atoms, and ane for single bond. Okay. See another example like this. This one. What will be its name? For 4 carbon you write but. For single bond you add ane, and for ring-like structure you add cyclo. Means its name becomes cyclobutane. Okay, like this. For 5 carbon atoms, this one, if double bond is present here, double bond or triple bond may also be present in the ring. If double bond is present here and hydrogen is added to maintain its valency, then its name becomes cyclo for 5 carbon for ring-like structure, paint for 5 carbon atom, and due to presence of double bond we add ene. Means its name becomes cyclopentene. Okay, like this. Another example of this category is this one. This one is known as benzene. In benzene there are 6 carbon atoms which are bonded together by alternate double and single bonds, and each carbon contains 1 hydrogen atom. This is the figure of benzene. Okay, these are the various types of cyclic hydrocarbons. These are unsaturated hydrocarbons and they are saturated hydrocarbons or alkanes. Okay, these are all about the hydrocarbons. What are hydrocarbons? How many types of hydrocarbons? Okay, these are all about the hydrocarbons. Try to make notes about this and try to read. Okay, thank you.